A message to D Mwango. So I'm giving D a message to D Mwango. Oh well, guys, Umoto Lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, guys, for clicking. I'm having my evening walk. As you know, Umoto Lifestyle loves to walk in the evenings. Oh my goodness, I am so tired. I'm sweating, but I thought, hey, let me just pick a camera and record for you something. Guys, it's about to rain. You see the clouds up there? It's heavy. The clouds are heavy. It's about to rain, but I need to rush so that I can go around. At least I can do my workout. Oh my goodness, and I thought, let me share with you, and I'm gonna show you something here that has been done with the fences so that you see, guys, how they dismantle the fence and build it again. Okay, I think it is around the corner and I'll be showing you very soon. Excuse me, guys, because I'm sweating so much. It's like I'm breathing so much. I'm trying to catch my breath. Of course, the cars are making noise. It's a neighborhood, so I am going around the neighborhood to kind of show you around and having to walk. So guys, for those ones who don't know, as I introduce myself again, my name is Umoto Lifestyle. I live here in the US. Originally, I am from Africa, Kenya. Yes, but today as I'm walking, guys, I'm going to tell you a story of a young, I don't know if you should call her a girl or a lady, of a young girl from the village where I come from. My village and her village is 2 hours apart. But I'm going to talk about this girl. My goodness, this girl, she's a YouTuber. She's a content creator. She was introduced in this YouTube world by her brother, who is a big YouTuber. I have already talked about the brother in my channel. You can go there and check him out. His name is Ayamara. But now I'm talking about the sister. The sister's name is D Mwango. D is D, E E, and Mwango is MWANGO. Is D Mwango. She is a content creator. She is a world traveler. Guys, I am telling you, I am so proud of this girl. When I say I'm so proud of this girl, I am. She is a go-getter. Oh my goodness. Guys, I love people who are hardworking. They get introduced to something and they hold it tight and they're like, I'm gonna go with this thing. This is my savior. And this girl has been able to master a YouTube world. And she is traveling right now at the whole world. Like no one is gonna touch her. She's like she took off YouTube by storm. It's like I love her energy. She is always positive with her content, and she is very professional when she creates her content, the way she speaks and the way she puts her content. You can tell she is a very smart girl from the village, guys, from the deep village of Nyaboanse. Guys, excuse me, I am sweating so hard and the cars are coming from both sides, so I'm trying to be careful. And you know, people are coming and they're parking their cars, so I'm trying not to interfere with people's parking because I'm walking and some cars are driving behind me, guys. Oh my goodness. The reason being is that I can't walk because people park car here where we pass. So sometimes I have to come to the road here to kind of maneuver around. But I'll be okay. Don't worry about me. So, guys, I'm breathing so much. I have done a couple of videos about D Mwango's brother. But specifically, since I'm walking now, I'm just gonna brag about this girl. I love watching this girl's content. Oh my goodness, she is so inspirational. She inspires me actually so much. I'm like, this girl from the village can hold this YouTube thing and she can take off. I know. I cannot travel the world the way she travels, you know? Let me see. Sidewalk closed. Guys, they say this sidewalk is closed here. Now I have to cross on the other side so that I can walk on the other side because they're fixing the walls on the other side. So I have to walk here. So it's like they are fixing those walls over there. You see, they still have bricks there. It's like the walls that were there, they looked like these walls. But now these walls are coming down. They're putting the bricks like that. So that's why you see there's so much bricks here. So there's still work being done here in our neighborhood. And I'm so glad that they're taking off all these old walls here, which are not safe. And they're trying to put this more concrete walls. You can see these are bricks, really hard bricks. So they're putting those bricks. So yeah, that's what I was telling you. I'm going to show you something. This is what I wanted to show you. So they started from all the neighborhood. Right now they're doing here. As you can see, they tear all the people's homes. You can see now they don't have walls, but they're trying to build around it. As you can see, some of homes right now, they don't have walls. You can literally see their backyard, but they're very soon they are fixing it. Guys, see, they're fixing it. Yeah. So right now I'm walking on the other side because that sidewalk over there, because there's construction going on, it's closed. So I have to pass through this area. So let me project the car. So this is what's going on. So they're fixing all the fences on the other street. And the walls that we used to have, they look like this. And all of these are going to come down so that they can actually put the bricks. So, and I am so excited about that. And I'm here walking on the road, sweating. But I'm so excited because I wanted to show you. If you watch my past videos, you can see I was walking on the other side where they're dismantling right now. But, and I'll walk around probably this week to show you how they have been able to fix this fence. We call it a wall. Actually, it's a fence, not even a wall, it's a fence. I've been saying a wall. Whoopsie. So how they're fixing these fences. Okay, so as you can see now, you can see people's houses are empty, no fences whatsoever. And the bricks they're using, they look like this. Very, very hard concrete bricks. But again, as I told you, the rain is coming, guys. Look at there. I'm trying to rush so that I can get home before the rain comes. And people who walk their dogs, of course, they have litter and the pets here. Everything you need to take care of your dogs. So yeah, now let's walk all the way because I wanted to project the camera for you guys so you can see where actually I'm walking to. And another thing, so we were talking about this girl, Mwango, guys. I'm gonna put her link on my description box so you guys, you can go there and check her travel videos. This girl, she's amazing. She inspired me. Sometimes I'm like, what am I doing in America? I'm here in the US, but this girl, she's having fun, you know, making YouTube content and traveling all over the world. So, as I was saying on my previous video, some of us, we come here in the US and then you say, yeah, I went to the US, I live in the US, I made it. No way. You should be able to travel. Okay. Actually, this is today I'm not gonna walk here. This is where I usually come to this park and walk around. You can walk one time, two times, whatever, 100 times if you have energy. This is a community park. As you can see, people are having fun and they're walking. So this is the pathway here where we walk. You see how America is good? Oh my goodness, in Africa, I don't know if we can find this, but look at the roads. This is just a park. People walk here. Look at the roads over there. Even people who ride the bikes, they have their way. So I'm gonna find some time so I can jump to the other side of the road so that we can walk. This is the people play games here, guys. Football, soccer, you name it. They play here because it's a community park. Guys, they need to fix this. Look at these trails of ants. Guys, I don't like this. Sometimes when I see this, I itchy. My skin started itchy even before I do. So, of course, they're gonna come here and uh, spray here so that everything will be all right. So you can see people are still walking, but rain is coming, so we need to hurry so that I can get home. Oh my goodness, I don't want to be rained on. So guys, I'm gonna go all the way down there so that I can go home. This is where people sit. They watch the game, baseball, football, soccer, you know, whoever wants to come here and play. It's usually for a community. We come here and play. So I'm going to go that way so that I can walk towards my home. So today I wanted to go through the road over there, but I feel like it might be too dangerous for me to cross. So I'm gonna be here. Actually, I'm gonna be very, very careful and run. I'm running because I don't want the car to hit me. Oh my gosh, look. Yes, I'm running. So I need to cross again. Yeah. Umata. Umata. I'm crossing, guys. My goodness. All right. Maybe this is getting dark, but I think we have some street lights. You can be able to see me. We have even seats where you can sit actually and chill and enjoy. So the rain is coming, guys, and I'm sweating. I need to be careful because there's so many little roads here that we cross. So I don't want to be caught up recording for you and then the car hit me. No way. No way. So guys, yes, let's continue our conversation, okay? Of D Mwango. So D, message to D Mwango. So I'm giving D a message to D Mwango. From a village girl to another village girl. D, I am so proud of you. I am so proud of what you're doing. I see myself in you. I see myself because I'm a village girl. And I wish that my time that I had somebody to introduce me to YouTube. But now I live here in the US, but I still make content, you know, because in the US, the thing is that we have to work full time, and really you talk with a family, you don't really have much time to create content. But if you want to, you can. But I'm trying my best to create content here and there. So my message to D Mwango is that we here in the US, I'm not the only one actually watching D Mwango. We are many. We're many here who watch D Mwango and his brother Ayamarwa. So always what I can tell you, D Mwango, keep going, keep making content, travel the world. You are still young. I think D Mwango, she is on her 20s actually. So she is still young and she has plenty of time actually to travel and make her money right now. Girl, make your money. Huh? Secure your money. Invest your money. As your brother Ayamara always tells you, you're still young. You're in the market. You're booming now with your YouTube. Guys, people are looking at me like, what the heck is she talking about? The struggle of making content is real, because sometimes you're making a content and the people are looking at you and they're like, is she talking about herself? But hey, I don't mind nowadays. I used to be shy, but nowadays I'm not. Nah, I have to talk. I have to talk to D Mwango. So D Mwango, whatever you are, I liked the video that you did with your brother, where your brother was telling you to invest your money, now that you're young, and you did a good job of buying your mother a car, uplifting your mother's, the living situations. She's fine now, and now it's time for you to fly your wings. Fly your wings, D. Go D, go D, go D, go D, Mwango, go D. So I'm so proud of this girl because she is from the same villages that I come from. And I live in the US, but she lives in the village. But she has been able to travel most of the places that you can know. Right now, if you don't know, I'm going to pin her link here, guys, so that you can go and watch her. She's been in Jamaica, and she moved from Jamaica. Jamaica 1-1. You don't know the tingo. From Mwango, the tingo. D, I know the tingo. So she flew from Jamaica. She went to Cayman. Guys, do you know Cayman, the island of the rich, the island of big people, the island of dollars? So right now she's in Cayman having fun, and right now we're watching her, and that's amazing. Sometimes when I'm at work or when I'm free, I cannot wait to flip my TV on my phone to watch D Mwango or watch Ayamara or watch Ayamara's girlfriend Rocio Cabrera. Actually, I'm a fan. I'm a fan. Guys, I'm about home to go home, and I'm tired. And as you can tell, I'm sweating. So guys, thank you so much for listening to me. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. My name is Umoto Lifestyle, and you will enjoy all this kind of content from here in the US. Yes, I am a village girl flying my wings here in the US. Okay, very soon we're gonna start traveling as well. So make sure you subscribe, share my channel, guys, with your family members. Tell them about this lady here, Umoto Lifestyle. Hey, come on, y'all. I love you so much. And guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.